As you all know, I make Chinese food. Sometimes I do some Chinese desserts, but there's one thing I don't cook often is the jelly. However, I do know somebody can do it better than me, and I will invite my friend Mr. B to the kitchen to help me with those strawberry jellies. Welcome, Mr. B.
Today we're going to be doing these strawberry jellies, and strawberry jelly has a very special place in my heart because my grandmother had a strawberry field, and we would go out and pick strawberries, and then she would come back into the house and she would make these jellies. So today we had the opportunity to go over to Rogers Farm over near Gainesville, Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit of what we did over there. Isn't that a beautiful place?